Fast fact: Aklan, capital city is Kalibo, with land area of 182,142. The major industry are tourism and agriculture. No cities, with 17 towns and municipalities. Next, Antique, capital is San Jose de Buenavista, with land area of 272,917. The major industry are agriculture, fishing, and mining. No cities, with 18 towns and municipalities. Move on. Capiz, capital is Rojas City, with land area of 259,464. The major industry are agriculture and fishing. Got one city with 16 towns and municipalities. Guimaras, capital is Jordan, with land area of 60,475. The major industry are tourism, handicraft, food processing, agriculture, and fishing. No cities, 5 towns and municipalities. Iloilo, capital Iloilo City, with land area of 500,717. The major industry are rice, agriculture, fishing, and food processing. Got 2 cities with 42 towns and municipalities. Last province, Negros Occidental. Capital is Bacolod City, with land area of 769,521. The major industry are sugar, agriculture, fishing, and livestock. Got 13 cities with 19 towns and municipalities. Next slide is the accommodation of Region 6. We have 3 categories. First is budget, less than 1,500 per night. Second is mid-range, 1,500 to 3,000 pesos per night. And the last one, third, is high-end, at least 3,000 per night or higher pa per night. So, Aklan, Di Mario Hotel, Hotel Sofia, Discovery Shore Boracay, Antique, Pandan Beach Resort, La Palme Beach Resort, Bunny's Beach Resort. Capiz, Capiz Bay Resort, San Antonio Resort, Espacio Verde Resort, Guimaras, Baras Beach Resort, Santo Niño Island Resort, Magic Island Resort. Iloilo is Iloilo Midtown Hotel, Days Hotel Iloilo, and Richmonde Hotel Iloilo. Last province is the nag-accommodate ng guests is Nature's Village Resort, Go Hotels Bacolod, and Typhoon Beach, Danjugan Island. Okay, move on to the last part of my report sa Region 6 is ang food and delicacy ng Western Visayas. Una kita sa Aklan, sipod kinilaw, Aklanon bulalo, nilabog na langka, Sa Antique is adobo, kinilaw na labanos, karne preta, kapis, native carb dishes, diwal pasta, binusog na lokos. Gimaras is mango pizza, bye-bye, 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 rather, chicken binakol, and sa Iloilo is batchoy, native lechon daraag, pansit malo, and sa Las Negros Occidental, food delicacy is bacolod chicken inasal, bibingka special, and ube halaya. Next slide is attraction and activities. First, Aklan, Museo et Aklan, Boracay Island, and Fatima Hill. Antique, Aniyay Church, Malayson Island, and Liberty Park. Capiz, Santa Monica Church, Baybay Beach, and Panubion Museum. Guimaras, MacArthur Wharf, Puerto de Mar, and Our Lady of the Philippines Traptes Monastery. Pupunta tayo sa Iloilo, Fort San Pedro, Isla de Gigantes, and Museo Iloilo. Last province is Negros Occidental, San Diego Pro Cardinals, Mount Canlaon, and Compostohan Highland. Move on. Next slide is Port of Access. Iloilo International Airport, Calibo International Airport, Katiklan Airport, Bacolod Silay International Airport. Then we go to port. We have 4: Iloilo City Port, New Washington Port, Ross City Port, and Bacolod Port. First, introduction. The Western Visayas region is a home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, including the world-famous Boracay. The region's tourism potential has been recognized globally and given the necessary infrastructure with the presence of the 2 international airports, Iloilo City. It is regional capital. The provinces in the region are Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, Iloilo, and the last one is Negros Occidental. Shall we start? First, objective. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to learn the different major attraction, activities, accommodation, and cultural highlights in the province within the Western Visayas region. Good day everyone, I'm Renz Miguel Galendez, the first reporter of our topic, Region 6, Western Visayas region.
Hello, good day everyone. I'm the last reporter of Chapter 9, Region 6, Western Visayas region. A-recommended pasalubong: fresh mangoes, mango concentrate, original or mango, biscocho, cream horn, barquillos, calamansi muffin, bandy. Next is Inasogbo, Napoleon's Trapeze monastery foods, products, handicrafts, kitchen baskets, bags, wallets, etc. Copies, shell crafts, woven fenya, clothes, home furnishings, and housewares, souvenir shirts, playa, Varkilios Sylvanus, Sans Rival, Mingo Tart, Butterscotch, Suman, Bibingka, Bacolod, Mascara Festival, Inspired, Handicrafts, Kitchens, Basket, Bags, Wallets. Next is F Festivals and Special Events. Aklan Ati-Atihan Festival, third weekend of January. Rhythmic street dancing to the bay of ambulant etic troubadours, trouba- troubadours in honor and celebrate the feast day of the child Jesus. Santo Niño, Antique. The next is Antique Binirayan Festival on April 30. Celebrate the Tin Malay Datus landing in the province, marking the first Malayan settlement in the country. Next is Kapis sinadya sa Halaran Festival, December 8, in celebration of the feast day of the Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception. Next is Kapistahan April 15, commemorates commemorates the founding anniversary of the provincial government of Capiz. Next is Guimaras Manggahan Festival, third week of April. Thanksgiving celebration to celebrate the abundant harvest of mangoes in the province and also to showcase its various products. The sweetest mangoes in the Philippines are from this town. Next is Iloilo Dinagyang Festival, fourth week of January. A colorful cavalcade in honor of the child Jesus. The province's version of Ati-Atihan Festival. Next is Feast of Our Lady of Candles, February 2, the biggest religious celebration in the province in honor of the Our Lady of Candles. Next is Negros Occidental, Mascara Festival, third third week of October. The Festival of Smile is a celebration of the positive outlook and culture of the people of Negros Occidental manifested in the contagious contagious smiles. Panaad sa Negros Festival, April David as the festival in the provinces which showcase the colorful and jubilant presentation of individual festival of all the cities and municipalities of the province. Next is Minuluan Festival, September 8 and 10. Commemoration of the 8th anniversary of the patron saint of Talisay. Saint Nicholas de Tolentino showcase the arts and culture of the local people of Talisay. Next is G. Major cultural groups.